Y'all, since the news has broke about Remy Ma's son, Jason Scott, being arrested on first-degree murder charges, she has now released a statement. First thoughts, when I saw the news break, I was thinking, who knew that Jason was even facing charges of this magnitude in the first place? Because this shooting happened in 2021. By the way, my name is TinkMarshae. You can call me Tink for short. Everything stated in this video is my own thoughts and opinions and viewpoints contingent on things that I see on social media. Make sure you like and share and comment your thoughts below. And I humbly thank you for the support. So Remy Ma speaks out after her son is charged with murder. Stand by Jason's innocent and pray that the NYPD will conduct a complete and thorough investigation to reveal the truth. This is undoubtedly a difficult time for my family and me. While we sincerely appreciate the love and support we have received from all of you, we kindly ask for privacy as our legal team works to prove Jason's innocence.
Steve and Natasha, residents I spoke to here, they didn't know the victim, but they do know who Remy Ma is, and they're telling us that they hope her celebrity doesn't play into this case. Tonight, we are learning that that victim was allegedly killed by Remy Ma's son, Jace Scott. So here's what we know at this hour. 23-year-old Scott was arrested today on first-degree murder and weapons charges. It's unclear if he pulled the trigger or if he hired the hit that took the life of Darius Gilbo, who lived here at the Ravenswood houses in Astoria. The crime occurred nearby in broad daylight back in 2021. Gilbo took hits to the head and to the chest. Gilbo had an extensive criminal history. 8 months before he was killed, he was indicted in a massive drug trafficking operation. As for Jace Scott, he appeared alongside his mom, Remy Ma, in the hit show Love and Hip Hop. She's one of the biggest names in hip hop and has been since 2006. She also has something of a lengthy rap sheet and has done 6 years in prison on a gun crime. But none of that mattered to the folks that we talked to here in Astoria.
It doesn't matter if it's a celebrity or not. Exactly. If you commit a crime, you're supposed to be paid for the crime you committed.
It could be anybody. It doesn't matter. You know, if they're...
In addition to the statement, here's what Remy Ma also stated. She said that, as his mother, I want to address the situation personally, but have been strongly advised by his legal team or legal counsel not to say anything, as most people in similar situations are informed by their attorneys due to it being an active case. As I was scrolling on Twitter, this is the post I saw that was very alarming, saying social media has noticed since the announcement of an alleged murder involving 2 alleged suspects, one being a legendary rapper Remy Ma's son, Jason Scott, that the victim's immediate family members been posting online alleged idle threats, speaking on karma, and friends allegedly dog whistling for Remy Ma's son to be touched in jail or street justice. According to the NYPD, the 2 allegedly got into a dispute when a fatal shooting happened. In addition to the first-degree murder charges, Scott has also been charged with second-degree murder, 2 counts of criminal possession of a weapon, and first-degree reckless endangerment. And it gets crazier. The man busted this week alongside rapper Remy Ma's son in connection to a deadly 2021 Queens shooting was already locked up in connection to 2 other murders from the same year. He was previously picked up in connection with the January 2021 slaying of a 20-year-old Robert Williams. During the shooting, which police said erupted amid a fight between 2 groups of men, another 20-year-old man was shot and wounded, while a 40-year-old man was critically injured. As Richard is fighting those charges, he was also being held on a second-degree murder charge in connection to the early August 13 shooting of a 22-year-old Dominique, is it Malvert? Feel free to correct me in the comments, but Dominique was shot multiple times at the K Show Bar on 138th Street in Flushing, according to the criminal complaint. Jason got tied into some crazy stuff with this guy. Right now, the police is actively searching for a motive. They're also investigating the possibility that the shooting was part of a murder for hire plot. Richard and Jason were reportedly in police custody when the charges were handed down. Remy Ma's son was connected to the murder by DNA. Jason definitely have a right to defend himself in court. And I'm sure more information will come out about this slaying. Just wonder why hadn't anybody talked about this up until now? And at least I didn't see anything about Remy Ma's son potentially being involved in any type of trouble. Have you? That's why I always preach to kids. You are who you hang around. Trouble is so easy to get into, but it's hard to get out of. For his sake, I hope he's innocent, but you never really know because, again, this is my first time even hearing of Jason's name being tied up into anything criminal. Just because it's my first time hearing about it doesn't mean that he hadn't been participating in criminal activities in the past. Definitely Comment your thoughts and opinions below. The story is still unfolding, so I'm sure there will be more, information that will come out about the victim and Remy Ma and her son. But until then, y'all definitely tell me what y'all think, because I'm almost sure that you guys are just as shocked as I was when I first heard the news. But they're tying Jason into this murder based off of his DNA. Yikes.